Hi everyone, this is Telvin for Folk Agency. I am an integration engineer and I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to make a connector on Patchworks. So for this case, you're not going to be filling the fields manually. So we're going to import a Postman collection. So you navigate to connector and you're supposed to press this button right here. But first, before you do that, you need to have the collection downloaded. So let's navigate to Postman here and you can see the collection. So you just scroll down here, export, and as soon as you press export, it does the download. Save it where you want it. And the next thing is here. So it asks you if you want a URL, file upload. We're going to choose file upload since we've downloaded it now. And you pick the collection, it's a JSON file, and here it is, and confirm. And look at that, it was that easy. So here it is. Going through it, yes, you do need to add authentication to it, but that's fair enough. And going through it, you can see that these variables that have already been set, and you can see the endpoint. And the endpoint is masked here, you can as you can see, because in Postman the base URL in this section, just, variables, it's right here. So this is the endpoint that's being hit by this, so that's why it's masked. But yeah, and that was pretty easy, right? Patchworks is that easy. So if I was to add any more endpoints, I have two options. I could add it from here and import another collection, or I could add just by clicking right here.